Meridian Services, a regional not-for-profit healthcare system serving Indiana and going beyond behavioral health. For over 30 years, Meridian Services has provided behavioral health care to our community. Today, Meridian Services is going beyond the boundaries of traditional behavioral health to create new services and a new standard of care. This new standard involves the addition of primary medical care, now known as Meridian MD. We call it an integrated healthcare approach and is designed to improve our patients' overall health.
In the last few years, Meridian realized that many of our chronic mentally ill patients experience 25 years less life expectancy than the average individual. We were very alarmed by that. Many of these issues were preventable in nature: diabetes, hypertension, respiratory disease, heart disease. So we decided we really need to assure that our clients had access to primary care, and we opened up a clinic called Meridian MD. Since that time, there's been a great excitement. Quality of care has improved significantly. We're excited about the future.
Meridian MD connects medical care with Meridian Services behavioral health therapists and outpatient psychiatric providers to create a medical home for patients. This helps patients receive a higher quality of overall care, better coordinated medication management, and improved outcomes. Meridian MD offers primary care services including immunizations, wellness assessments, and physicals for children and adults. But most importantly, Meridian MD provides greater convenience, lower costs for total care, and healthier patients.
With the primary care, it was just so easy. Having the primary care with next door to the counseling service and having a pharmacy too, right here. That way it's just kind of a one-stop shop. I can just walk my kids over. It's, not having to ask someone to take me 5 different places, and I can schedule my appointments all at the same time, which is very convenient when you have small children. And they treat you, with respect and, dignity, and something that I kind of lost when, you lose everything. I don't have any family here. So Meridian has been a blessing because they've kind of turned out to be my family.
New and better services that result in healthier outcomes is what Meridian is all about. Connecting with the community to showcase its spectrum of services and care is the goal of Meridian's many unique social and community events.
Meridian's events are not only first class, they help generate awareness of their services. And in some cases, they bring services to those who need them. An example would be the Gresham Fun Fair. That's where Meridian takes a leadership role in not only educating people, but also bringing together folks from the community like Open Door and providing information about government assistance, all in one place and at one event.
Over 1,500 people attended the second annual Gresham Center Fun Fair, held at Meridian Services Center for Families and Children. The event was free and open to all families in the community. The Fun Fair connected families with the Gresham Center and other local healthcare services. Kids enjoyed food, entertainment, games, and prizes. And over a dozen local organizations and health services participated in the event.
I actually had a parent say, "I don't know how much this costs." And I was able to look at her and say, everything here is completely free, from the food to the activities to the vendors, the community resources, and she was quite surprised. So it was wonderful to be able to say this is a completely free activity and an event for the families, so the children walk away happy with face painting and their bellies full, and parents walk away saying thank you that you were able to provide a fun activity for our family.
In addition to the Fun Fair, Meridian Services helped present the second annual We Have a Voice 5K Child Abuse Prevention Walk at the Ball State University campus. Nearly 300 people participated in the April event and demonstrated their interest in preventing child abuse. The Child Abuse Prevention Walk to date has raised over $10,000 and brought to light Meridian's unique abilities to care for children and prevent abuse.
Meridian Services Gresham Center is the home of the Child Advocacy Center, which offers services for children who have experienced abuse. Since 2007, the CAC has investigated over 500 abuse cases. and the CAC recently was awarded full national accreditation and is now one of only 4 accredited facilities in the state.
As Meridian Services has grown beyond the boundaries of traditional behavioral health, it's grown in its commitment to the community. Meridian hosted Rialzo, its inaugural community event to elevate the local arts. Rialzo was a black tie gala that featured the music of the Fifth Dimension and the Muncie Symphony Orchestra.
Not only was Rialzo a great fundraiser, it was a lot of fun too. And people there learned a lot about Meridian's role in the health of our community.
And we got a new puppy in the auction. The event helped our friends see how Meridian makes our community better.
Health truly is a state of mental, physical, and social well-being. And Meridian's efforts are integrating all 3. From the addition of primary care to new events that educate, Meridian's present and future are about going beyond behavioral health for better health. The bottom line is that Meridian Services wants our communities to be healthier. The good work that we do is so our patients and our communities can be well.